Good morning, all of you. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. My name is Shilpa. I am your teacher. Speak loudly. Good morning, ma'am. Oh, I can't hear you. Speak loudly. Good morning, ma'am. Okay. Now tell me, how many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week.
Hey my lovely kids, how are you doing? I'm sure you are doing good. In today's class, I'm going to explain you about lines. So sit properly with your back straight and open your English notebook. Have you all opened your English notebook? Yes? Now look at your English notebook. How many lines are there in one set? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 lines in our English notebook. And do you know that each line have its own name like yours and mine? My name is Shilpa. What's your name? Right. Like that, lines also have name. Come to the first line. The name of the first line is top line. What is the name of the first line? Top line. Come to the second line. The name of the second line is middle line. What is the name of the second line? Middle line. Come to the third line. The name of the third line is baseline. What is the name of the third line? Baseline. And the last one is bottom line. What is the name of the last line? Bottom line. Now let's repeat. First one is top line. Second one is middle line. Third one is baseline. And the fourth one is bottom line. Hooray! We have did it!
Be ready with your files, notebooks, sharpen pencil, eraser and colors to study again. Sit straight, sit properly, don't look here and there until you complete your work. Hello lovely kids, how do you do? Hope you are doing great. Let's start with a class. Let's revise our capital letters and small letters. They are also known as uppercase and lowercase letters. So, as we know, there are 26 letters in alphabet. So, we can divide those letters into 2 groups. First is vowel, another is consonants. I'm going to write the vowels here. First vowel is A. Next vowel is E, I, O and U. All these letters are known as vowels. You also speak with me and sit properly. Hold your pencils. You have to speak with me and you will write after me. I'm going to write capital A, small a, capital A, small a, uppercase A, lowercase a. Now it's your turn to write A in your notebook. Be careful about the formation of A. Now let's check A is a vowel or consonant. A. A. So A is a vowel. A, E, I, O, U. The first vowel is A. So A is a vowel. Now I'm going to write my next letter. We will start it from the top line up to down. Standing line, make a curve and one more curve till baseline. Capital B, small b, uppercase B, lowercase b. Now it's your turn to write. Write it neatly. Write it properly. Have you all done? Now let's check. B is a vowel or consonant. So, speak out the vowels. A, E, I, O, U. So, we don't have B here. So, B is a consonant. B is a consonant. Now, I'm going to write my next letter. That is capital C, small c, capital C, small c, uppercase C, lowercase c. Now it's your chance to write C. Write it neatly, write it properly. You will start the capital C from the top line and make a curve till baseline. And small c will come within the middle line and baseline. Now let's check. C is a vowel or consonant. A, E, I, O, U. Is there any C here? No. So C is a consonant. Later on we are going to do an activity. So now I am going to write my next letter. Capital D. We will start it from the top line till baseline. Capital D, small d. It's also called as uppercase D, lowercase d. Now it's your chance to write D in your notebook. Write it neatly. Write it beautifully. Have you all done? Now speak with me. A, B, C, D. Good job. Now let's see. D is a vowel or consonant. A, E, I, O, U. There is no D. So D is a consonant. D is a consonant. Speak with me, children. D is a consonant. Now I am going to write my next letter. E. Capital E, small e. Uppercase E, lowercase e. Uppercase E, lowercase e. Now it's your chance to write E in your notebook. Write it neatly. Write it nicely. Have you completed? Now let's see. E is a vowel or consonant. Speak with me. A, E. We have E here. So E is a vowel. What is E? E is a vowel. Speak loudly. E is a vowel. Are you getting it? Now again it's my turn to write my letter. I'm going to write capital F, small f, uppercase F, lowercase f, uppercase F, lowercase f. Speak loudly. F, capital F, small f. Now it's your chance to write F in your notebook. Have you all done? Great job. Now let's see. F is a vowel or consonant. Speak with me. A, E, I, O, U. We are not having F here. So F is a consonant. F is a consonant. Now I'm going to write my next letter. Capital G, small g. Uppercase G, lowercase g. Uppercase G, lowercase g. Now it's your turn to take it down. Have you all done? Good job. Now let's see, G is a vowel or consonant. Speak with me. A, E, I, O, U. We don't have G here. So G is a consonant. Now I'm going to write my next letter. Capital H, small h. Uppercase H, lowercase h. Speak with me, students. Uppercase H, lowercase h. Now let's check. H is a vowel. Now let's check. H is a vowel or a consonant. Speak with me. A, E, I, O, U. We don't have H here. So H is a consonant. H is a consonant. Now it's your turn to write down H in your notebook. Write it neatly. Write it properly. Have you all done? Great job. Now it's my turn to write the next letter. Capital I, small I. Uppercase I, lowercase I. Speak with me, students. Uppercase I, lowercase I. Now it's your turn to jot down I in your notebook. You should write properly. Be careful about the formation. Have you all done? Now let's check. I is a vowel or a consonant. Speak with me. A, E, I. We have I here. So I is a vowel. We have I here. So I is a vowel. Now I'm going to write my next letter. Capital J, capital J, small j. Uppercase J, lowercase j. Speak aloud, students. Uppercase J, lowercase j. Now it's your turn to write down J in your notebook. If you have done wrong, then you can use erasers. Have you all completed? Very good. Now let's check. J is a vowel or a consonant. You have to speak with me. A, E, I, O, U. We don't have J here. So J is a consonant. J is a consonant. Now I'm going to write my next letter. Capital K, small k. Uppercase K, lowercase k. Uppercase K, lowercase k. Now it's your chance to write K in your notebook. Have you all done? Fantastic! Now let's see. K is a vowel or a consonant. Let's check it again. Speak with me. A, E, I, O, U. We don't have K in these letters. So K is a consonant. K is a consonant. Now what comes after K? Yes, it's L. I'm going to write capital L, small l. Speak with me and you will write after me. You have to speak with ma'am and you will write after the ma'am. You have to speak with me and you will write after me. Capital L, small l, uppercase L, lowercase l. Now it's your chance to write L in your notebook. Make a straight line. Yes, your writing should be neat and clean. Have you all done? Now let's check. A is a vowel. Now let's check. L is a vowel or a consonant. Speak with me. A, E, I, O, U. We don't have L here. So L is a consonant. L is a consonant. Speak with me. L is a consonant. Now again I'm going to write my next letter. Capital M, small m, uppercase M, lowercase m, uppercase M, lowercase m. Now it's your turn to write M in your notebook. Write it properly. Write it beautifully. Have you all done? Good job. Now let's see. M is a vowel or a consonant. Speak with me. A, E, I, O, U. We don't have M here. So M is a consonant. M is a consonant. I'm going to write capital N, small n. Capital N, small n. Uppercase N, lowercase n. Uppercase N, lowercase n. It's your chance to write N. Write it nicely. Write it properly. And if you have done wrong, then you can use your eraser. Have you completed? Now let's check. N is a vowel or consonant. A, E, I, O, U. We don't have N here, so N is a consonant. N is a consonant. Now I'm going to write my next letter. Capital O, small o. Speak with me. Capital O, small o. Uppercase O, lowercase o. Uppercase O, lowercase o. It's your chance to write O in your notebook. Have you all done? Now let's check. O is a vowel or a consonant. A, E, I, O. We have O here. So O is a vowel. O is a vowel. Speak aloud. Repeat after me. O is a vowel. Repeat with me. O is a vowel. Now I am going to write my next letter. Capital P, small p. Capital P, small p. Uppercase P, lowercase p. Uppercase P, lowercase p. It's your chance. Write P in your notebook. Write it properly. Write it beautifully. Have you all completed? Now let's check. P is a vowel or a consonant. A, E, I, O, U. So we don't have P here, so P is a consonant. P is a consonant. I'm going to write capital Q, small q. Capital Q, small q. Uppercase Q, lowercase q. Uppercase Q, lowercase q. Now whose turn to write? Yes, it's yours. It's yours. Jot down Q in your notebook. Have you all done? Great job. Now let's check. Q is a vowel or a consonant? A, E, I, O, U. We don't have Q in it. So Q is a consonant. Q is a consonant. Now I'm going to write my next letter. Capital R, small r, uppercase R, lowercase r, uppercase R, lowercase r. It's your chance to write R in your notebooks. Take it down fast. R. Have you all done? Now let's check. R is a vowel or a consonant? Speak with me. A, E, I, O, U. We don't have R in these letters. So R is a consonant. Speak with me. R is a consonant. Now I'm going to write my next letter. Capital S, small s, uppercase S, lowercase s, uppercase S, lowercase s. Now it's your chance to write S. Have you all done? Great job. Now let's check. S is a vowel or a consonant? Do we have S here? No. A, E, I, O, U. We don't have S here, so S is a consonant. S is a consonant. Small t, capital T, small t, uppercase T, lowercase t, uppercase T, lowercase t. Now it's your turn to write down T in your notebooks. Write down T properly. Have you completed? Now let's check. T is a vowel or a consonant? Speak with me. A, E, I, O, U. We don't have T in these letters, so T is a consonant. T is a consonant. I'm going to write my next letter. Capital U, small u. Capital U, small u. Uppercase U, lowercase u. Uppercase U, lowercase u. It's your chance to write U in your notebook. Write it properly. Write it nicely. Have you completed? Now let's check. U is a vowel or a consonant? Speak with me. A, E, I, O, U. We have U here. So U is a vowel. U is a vowel. Speak with me. U is a vowel. U is a vowel. Are you getting me? Okay, now I'm going to write my next letter. Capital V, small v. Uppercase V, lowercase v. Uppercase V, lowercase v. It's your chance. Write it properly. Write it nicely. Got it? Now let's check. V is a vowel or a consonant? A, E, I, O, U. We don't have V here. So V is a consonant. V is a consonant. It's my turn to write capital W, small w. Capital W, small w. Uppercase W, lowercase w. Uppercase W, lowercase w. Now it's whose chance to write? Yes, it's yours. Write it properly. Write it nicely. And you can use your eraser if you have done wrong. Have you all done? Amazing. Now let's check. W is a vowel or a consonant? Speak with me. A, E, I, O, U. We don't have W here. So W is a consonant. W is a consonant. Now it's my turn to write capital X, small x, capital X, small x, uppercase X, lowercase x, uppercase X, lowercase x. It's your turn. Write it properly. Your notebook should look neat and clean. You should erase properly. We should not have black marks on your notebook. Have you done? Now let's check. X is a vowel or a consonant? A, E, I, O, U. We don't have X here, so X is a consonant. X is a consonant. I'm going to write capital Y, small y, uppercase Y, lowercase y, uppercase Y, lowercase y. It's your chance. Write it properly. Incredible. Now let's check. Y is a vowel or a consonant? Do we have Y here in these vowels? A, E, I, O, U. No. So Y is a consonant. Y is a consonant. Now I'm going to write the last letter. Capital Z, small z. Capital G, small z. Uppercase G, lowercase z. Uppercase Z, lowercase z. Now it's your turn to write Z in your notebook. Now let's check. Z is a vowel or a consonant? Speak with me. A, E, I, O, U. We don't have Z in this, so Z is a consonant. Z is a consonant. Now, how my page is looking? Is it looking beautiful? Okay, then you should write like this.